Now, let's go to the other type, yung pong thorny soil. It depicts those who hear the gospel, but the worries of life and deceitfulness of wealth choke the word, making it unfruitful. At one point in time, naging fruitful to. Then thereafter, naging stagnant na. Hindi na ho nagpatuloy. Maaring naging aktibo rin po ito. However, ang naging balakid po sa kanila yung worries of life, yung problema ng buhay. At ang masaklap po kasi dito sa alalahanin ng buhay, most of the time, it involves money. Kaya nga po dito, may kasunod po yan, deceitfulness of wealth. Hindi po by coincidence na pinagsama po sa Bible itong characterization ng worries of life and deceitfulness of wealth. Sapagkat kalimitan po ng worry, it involves yung pong kakainin, mga pangangailangan sa buhay. At ang kasunod nga po nito, yung deceit ng kayamanan. So sa pangatlo pong ito, naging fruitful, pero later on, they remain stagnant at worse, naging unfruitful na because of the worries of life as well as yung pong deceitfulness of wealth. Nagumo na po sila sa pleasures of the flesh. Kaya nga sabi po ng Panginoon Kristo, we cannot serve two masters. We cannot love both God and money both at the same time. You will love one and you will hate the other.